Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to modify our truck and let's get to a race using the truck that we have got. So let's modify the truck. Let's change the color first. We can use the glossy finish for our truck and the color we can use the black color. The black color suits our truck and now we can change the number here. We can set it to 555. So the number for our truck is set, and then let's change the alloy of the tires of the truck. We could use this one. No man, this looks bad. And now we can check for another one. There we go. This suits a little bit good compared to the other one, so we can use this one. Now we have the V8 diesel engine with nitro installed in it. These tires look great. And now a little bit of brake, and then for the strongness of our truck, a frame. And then we are running short of the money guys. Suspension to the maximum. Yeah, that's all. So we can start a race, or yeah, we can play the race mode with 10 laps. The map can be small speedway. The small speedway map is a little bit good compared to the other maps. And now here the race starts. All of our opponents are trucks. We are on the 9th position now. 8, again 9, but we will be the last man standing. No worries guys, this is the very first lap and we have the chances of winning. Our chances of winning are high guys, because our truck has more power and more skills than other trucks. This game is also available in the multiplayer mode. You can play with your friends by creating custom rooms, etc. This is quite a nice game guys. I usually play this game with my friends. Man, we have gone too bad. No worries, we'll get to the first position. Again 8th position for our truck. Not a problem guys, we still have 5 more laps left. We'll get the first position. No one can beat us guys. There we go, the first place is ours. No one can compete with us guys. 6th lap, we are entering into the 7th lap, and now the first position is ours. No worries, we still have the chance to sustain the first position. Guys, there we go, the 8th lap, and still we are on the first position. Other trucks are still behind us. We have to keep up with the maximum speed that we have got, or else we will lose the game. We have 1 more lap left. Just keep the first position that we have got now, and then we will be the last man. lap. Just sustain the first position and we will win the race, guys. Nothing much. Yeah, there we go, and we have won the race. The first position is ours. So, guys, how was the racing of our truck? If you like this video, then give us a like and then subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.